Hi, my name's Megan Boon. I am in the boat building and restoration program here at IYRS. I really didn't know what to expect, and I think the biggest thing I was concerned about or interested to see was, where my level of skill played in with, my fellow classmates, because we're so diverse and have different experiences. I kind of felt like I was a little bit in over my head at first, but, very quickly I felt up to speed and confident with what we were doing, and I think now my expectations are higher for myself because I feel like I kind of hit that threshold of, I'm making things every day, this is really cool. But now it's like I want to add this extra level of care and, quality and building my skills so that it really is something that is truly beautiful and apart from just being functional.